أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum my dear learners. Warm welcome to my channel Digital Schooling with Teacher Facilitation Program. Now we will start our uh, previous lesson. We will continue today uh, this lesson. Uh, in previous video, we have learned what the difference between with madda and without madda stretching quantity of madda. Okay. Now we will continue this topic with uh, Shadda words or Shadda letters. Uh, Now we will start our lesson with dua. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح. Now we will start our lesson 24. Okay. The topic is Shadda word. Okay. When Mushaddad or Shadda letter comes after Mad or Mudde Aslee, we can say it Mudde Lazim or Mudde Aslee, which is stretch the quantity of 5 or 6 alif or harakat, uh, and then we will join it with madda letters. So how will we uh, pronounce it? Okay. uh, though first I will read for you, then you will repeat it after me. Dod, Dod, Alif, Mad, Zabar, Dol. Okay, not Dal. If Madda is not present here, we will say here Dod, Lam, Zabar, Dal. Okay. Due to Madda presence, we will pronounce it uh, Dod, Lam, Alif, Zabar, Dol, and um, we will hear Tanween also. Okay. Then Tanween will be pronounced after Mushaddad letter. Lam, do zabar, lan, and alif also here. Lam, alif, do zabar, lan, dolan, dolan. Next word is ha, alif, jim, zabar, haj. Madda will be pronounced with the quantity of 6, because it is Madda Lazim or Madda Asli. It will be pronounced with the quantity of 5 to 6 alif or harakat. Okay. Hajja, kaf zabar ka. Hajjaka, hajjaka. Next word is dal, alif, ba, mad, zabar, da, ba zabar, ba, da, ba, ta do zer, tin, da, batin. Okay, we will a few seconds we will stop here. Ba. Okay, on ba. dabbatin. Okay. Raduka. Next word. Khasatan. Kafatan. 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 Bidorrihim. Bidorrihim. Tahaduna. Janun. Tanween will be pronounced after the madda. Okay. Janun. Amina. Amina. Ronina. Okay. First of all, we will pronounce madda uh, with joining mushaddad letter, then noon yaze ni noon zabarna. Ronina. Dolina. Okay. Dolina. Allahu. 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 Mm, This is your today lesson, and student, you will have to repeat it again and again to keep in your mind and send audio in comment box. I love to read your uh, comments. Okay. Now we will end our lesson with dua. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. If you find any useful in this lesson, uh, like, share and subscribe my video and my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.